I just spent thousands of dollars on electric bikes so you don't have to. Today we're going to find out if you can actually get a good e-bike for less than $500. Most people think you need to spend thousands, but I found 4 bikes on Amazon that claim to have insane specs for an unbelievably low price. We're talking high-power motors, long-range batteries, speeds that will blow your mind. Are they actually any good, or is it all just a massive scam? We're about to find out. For every bike we review today, I found a limited-time deal. A countdown timer will appear on screen. Click the link in the description before it hits 0 to lock in the price. These deals could be gone tomorrow. Act fast. We're going to unbox them, test them, push them to their absolute limits, and crown the king of budget e-bikes. And as always, the links of all products in the video are in the description. These links will give you the best prices, so make sure that you use them. First up is the Qlife electric bike, and this thing is an absolute monster on paper. They claim it has a 1500-watt peak motor. That is insane for a bike in this price range. Most bikes under $1,000 barely have 500 watts. If this is true, this bike should have absolutely ridiculous acceleration. The box is huge, so let's get this thing open and see what we're dealing with. It looks aggressive, like a mini motorcycle. The specs are just crazy. It claims you can hit 28 miles per hour right out of the box, but get this, it's unlockable to 35 miles per hour. We are definitely going to test that later. It's powered by a 48-volt, 13-amp-hour removable battery, which is UL certified, so you know it's not going to randomly explode. The battery is the heart of any e-bike, and having a removable one means you can charge it anywhere. Look at these tires. They are massive 20-inch by 4-inch fat tires. These should be able to handle literally any terrain we throw at it, sand, dirt, maybe even snow. It also has dual suspension, with a big fork on the front and a shock in the rear. That means it should be a super comfortable ride, soaking up all the bumps. This is a feature you usually only find on bikes that cost 3 or 4 times as much. And for stopping power, it doesn't have regular brakes. It has motorcycle-grade dual brakes. That's some serious stopping power, which you're definitely going to need if you're actually going 35 miles per hour on this thing. The cockpit features a big, bright, center-mounted color display. It looks super premium and shows your speed, battery life, and assist level. Everything about this bike screams power and performance, far beyond its price tag. So, the big question, how much does this beast cost? Okay, if you thought the last bike was insane, you need to see this. This is a YOLOWAY style bike, listing claims up to 2,000 watts. I had to read that multiple times. 2,000 watts, for a bike that costs even less than the last one. Could be the most powerful budget e-bike online. The hook, raw power at a ridiculously low price. Specs time, 1500-watt peak motor, listed consistently. Some listings mention 2000 watts. Either way, powerhouse. Top speed, 28 miles per hour. Battery, 48-volt 12.5 amp-hour removable unit. Claimed range, 55 miles per charge. We'll test that. Different setup, 16-inch wheels instead of 20-inch, but they're still 4-inch wide fat tires. More nimble, faster to accelerate? Maybe. Less stable at very high speed? Maybe. Full dual suspension, like the Qlife. Comfortable over bumps and rough roads. Brakes, hydraulic disc brakes. Upgrade over mechanical brakes. Alright, the first 2 bikes were all about raw power, but what if you want to go the distance? This next bike, the AMYET V9 G60, is built for marathon rides. The hook for this one is simple. Incredible range, incredible speed. It claims you can ride this thing for nearly 72 miles on a single charge. That's like riding from one city to the next without ever needing to pedal or plug in. For a budget bike, that is an absolutely unheard of claim. So how does it do it? The specs tell the story. It has a massive 48-volt 20-amp-hour battery. That's a 960 watt-hour battery. A bigger battery is like having a bigger gas tank. It means more range, more fun, less time spent waiting for it to charge. This battery alone is probably worth half the price of the bike. It's removable, of course, so you can easily take it inside to charge. But this bike isn't just about range, it's also incredibly fast. It has the same peak 1500-watt motor as the Qlife, which they claim can propel you to a top speed of 32 miles per hour. So you get the insane power and acceleration, but with a battery that can actually sustain those high speeds for a long time. It's the best of both worlds, the sprint, the marathon. It's rolling on 20-inch by 4-inch fat tires, so it has that same aggressive all-terrain stance as the Qlife. dual shocks for a comfortable ride, a bright LCD display, integrated headlights and taillights for safety. Okay, the last 3 bikes have been huge, powerful and heavy, but what if you live in a small apartment, or need to take your bike on a train, or put it in the trunk of your car? This next bike, the INSDRGN folding e-bike, is the solution. The hook is ultimate portability and convenience, at a price so low it feels like a mistake. By far the cheapest bike in our lineup. Specs: time, 500-watt motor, top speed 20 miles per hour, battery, 499 watt-hours. UI Kurshatzer store UI, Amonsa Kurdurin now. Sardin now certified. Claimed assisted range, about 28 miles. It folds, and it folds down tiny. 14-inch wheels help it pack small. Store it under your desk at work, in a closet, or in the back of almost any car. Game changer for small space riders. It turns an e-bike from garage only into go anywhere. So, there you have it. 4 incredible e-bikes, all for under $500. We have the raw power of the Qlife, powered the insane value and hydraulic brakes of the YOLOWAY style bike, value the marathon level range of the AMYET, range and the unbelievable portability and price of the INSDRGN folder. Portability. Each one of these bikes is a winner in its own category, and it just proves that you no longer need to spend thousands of dollars to get an amazing electric bike. The value you can get on Amazon right now is simply mind-blowing. Which one is right for you depends entirely on your needs. If you want the fastest, most thrilling ride, go for the Qlife or the YOLOWAY. If you want to ride all day and never worry about your battery, the AMYET is your king. And if you need a bike that fits your life and your small apartment, the INSDRGN folding bike is an unbeatable choice for an unbeatable price. The links to all 4 of these bikes and their limited time deals are in the description below. Don't wait, because those prices will not last. Thank you so much for watching. If this video helped you find your next e-bike, make sure to smash that subscribe button because we have so many more crazy videos just like this one coming soon. Let me know in the comments which of these 4 bikes you would choose and why. We'll be reading every single comment. Click the link in the description to grab one of these deals before they're gone, and we'll see you in the next video.